Hi there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change Instagram profile picture. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. And then just go to your profile icon on the lower right corner. Then click on your profile picture or click on edit profile. And then click on edit picture or avatar. Here, if you want to set a new profile picture, click on new profile picture. Select our picture. Suppose I have selected this one. You can just adjust it from here. Click on next. Then just tap next. And your profile picture is being updated. Yeah, this is it. Here goes your changed profile picture. This is how you can do it too. And we will see you in the next one.